Pod mana e kaunti ma Migori kanyo riwruok kanise e gwenge mag Nyanza mano NCCK to kod rowere ma Migori osingo mar neno ne giyalo wach mar dwaro telo makare kaachiel to kod bidhruok kind jotelo mopogore motelo ne yiero ma 2020 to kod 2022. Ler ma bende chiwo kanyo gi jafwambo Sophie Sao.
Winjruok ma kamane ochopie e romo mane otimore e kind jotelo mag kanise, josiasa to kod rowere e kanisa mar Maranatha e boma ma Migori. Kotelnegi kod jagoro mar duol mar NCCK Migosi Chris Kinyanjui to kod jakom mar duol noero bade ma Nyanza Reverend David Kodia e kama bende rowere ne olalore e weche moko mamulo ngimagi kaka yore mag loso chike to kod telo makare.
As the National Council of Churches, we know as we go towards the next general election, there's a lot of temptation to zone certain areas as no-go zone for certain political factions. We are sending a very clear and strong message that no part of this country should be zoned or kept off. We also know that Migori is one county that has had existence of gangs. And we have been talking, and we continue to talk to our political leaders, that the use of violence for political mobilization is something of the past. And the future is where the youth themselves, we are urging the youth, they should resist violence. Number 2 is politicians should not mobilize violence. Number 3 is that state agencies that are involved in security matters. Today we had the police represented in this function.
Some of the employments which are advertised require a lot of experience. Some of them do not have those experience, so it's a way of locking them out. So what we are also calling for is a more open approach to unemployment or employment opportunities that could give our young people also to maximize their potential in the job market.
Kinyanjui bende owacho ni kanise onego kaw ondamo mar puonjo jogi kuom ratiro margi ahinya to rowere mondo kik biti kodgi kod josiasa e yore mag tulo kod mibadhi.
This county is one of the places where that has happened, and we want the youth who are here to take that message to the other youth, and the other youth to take a message to the other youth. We want the youth to say no to violence, and the time to do so is now.
Piny mar Kenya sani nitiere kod liet mar siasa ka bende ji hikore ne yiero mar higa manyien kendo weche kod yore moko manyalo biro kelo tulo osebed ka iwacho kod jotelo moko mawuok e gwenge mopogore e pacho ka.
Apart from thinking about just being employed, we have been challenged to think about farming, to involve ourselves in business, get something, group ourselves into groups of like-minded people just to ensure that we get out of such stresses. Is that now a lady, girl child, any woman must know that she has value.
Everything good, all good hospitals, good, everything good that you want as a country is in the ballot. Let us make prudent decisions for the betterment of the country, and we choose good leaders through making prudent decisions.
Nelolwe TV, Anna Sophie Sao.